In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a voice channel private in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. Start by opening Discord and finding the voice channel you want to make private. Right-click the channel name and select Edit Channel. In the channel settings, click Permissions. This is where you can control who can see and join the voice channel.
Select Everyone from the Roles and Members list. Find the View Channel and Connect permissions, then click the red X to deny both. This prevents regular members from seeing or joining the channel. Next, click the plus icon to add the specific roles or members who should have access. Select a role or user, then enable View Channel and Connect by clicking the green check. Make sure both permissions are enabled.
If you only allow View Channel, they can see the channel but won't be able to join the voice chat. Once you've added everyone who should have access, click Save Changes. Your voice channel is now private. Only the selected roles or members can see and join it. And that's how to make a voice channel private in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.